Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Crypto Ronins. I am the DeFi enthusiast. First of all, Happy New Year to every one of you, and I hope that this year brings a lot of you a lot of joy, a lot of 100x's, a lot of gains, and all that good stuff. So today, the price of Bitcoin is at $98,201. The Bitcoin dominance is at 53.1%. Now, today I'm going to be talking about a couple of projects which are in the AI niche. And the AI sector has been booming. It's been, dominating pretty much all of crypto. And one of the projects that has been exploding is Virtual Protocol. Now, I gave Virtual Protocol pretty much at when it was at about 1 cent. So on my Patreon. So anybody who got in, as you can see, has made a lot of money. And that's exactly what we do, guys. We are all about quality over quantity. That's why we have a winning rate. We have a rate where people make money. They have to remain patient. Those who held virtual for a long time, I got an airdrop a long time ago because I had invested in something called PathDAO, and PathDAO changed to virtuals, and then I got a one-to-one airdrop for the amount of tokens that I was holding. So I kept holding those, guys. I held them throughout the bear market, and obviously I have been rewarded. And I feel that virtuals can still do a 5 to 10x from where it's at right now. I know that sounds crazy, but you should see the amount of growth this thing has had. Like, look at this chart. It's absolutely the 1 year chart. Look, around here, around January 6, 2024, which is almost last year, this was at 1 cent, 0.01155, yeah? And then we saw it going up, 11 cents, 7 cents, and then just see that spike here at about November 22nd, 2024. This thing just skyrocketed, and it's going up. I see it going a lot further because we're only at the beginning of the bull run. We haven't even seen a proper altcoin run, guys, right now. So the potential here is still pretty huge. Excuse me. So, with that said, there are other projects that are doing similar things. But let me first tell you what exactly Virtuals does. So create and co-own AI agents. That's really what it does. Our engine creates autonomous AI agents. Sorry. I have a bit of a bad throat today, guys. Sorry about that. And they speak and move in 3D spaces, right? They learn, plan, and make decisions. So today's schedule, for example, this thing is this, whatever they do, and they can make decisions. They can they act and interact with the environment. They manage their on-chain wallet, bringing infinite content to entertainment applications. Meet player, greet player, got punched, attack player. These are like all prompts that you can give it. Taunt player, taunted, right? And given a sword, this, that. There's so many things that you can do with these AI agents. It's absolutely incredible, guys. And leveraging blockchain for parallel hypersynchronicity, right? Synchronized memory and consciousness. So whatever prompts you give it, whatever it learns, just like AI is learning, this is also it's learning, it's memorizing, and it has a developed consciousness, guys, which is pretty amazing, to be honest with you. And so agent and co-ownership, right? So So like let's say somebody has created an agent, right? You can actually be a co-owner of that agent as well and share the revenue of that particular agent itself, which is pretty amazing. And so then like creating and co-own an AI agent today. There's an AI agent of Donald Trump, for example. There's also John Wick. People have created all this stuff. Taylor Swift, pretty, very, very creative, to be honest. And so yeah, and enter the app. So this is what it all does. So basically, an AI agent, it allows you to carry out a lot of tasks. From it can manage your wallets. It can do trades for you if you assign it. It can be your assistant, it can be your writing partner, it can be a secretary, it can be a content creator for your channel. The possibilities are endless, guys. So virtuals, why it's so big right now is because they were the very first protocol to work on this concept, and they were the first comers. The first comer on a narrative always is the numero uno winner, So that's something to remember, guys. Now, with that said, we also have things like Morph AI now. So your imagination just leveled up. Building an AI influencer isn't easy. The global influencer market economy is valued at 45 billion, and it's only getting bigger. So influencers are earning millions, but not everyone has the resources, time, or network to break into the scene. That's where Morph AI changes the rules. No cameras, editing teams, or expensive setups needed. Just your ideas and neural morph engine. So it's really, really amazing, guys, here. With AI partnered agents, you can actually, delivering seamless face swaps. There is so much flawless lip sync. Lifelike voice transformation, creating a virtual influencer is just a click away. So they've made this task very, very easy. So they have all these tools here, guys. The Creator AI. Your journey starts with the Metamorph. This AI agent lets you design, customize, and manage your AI influencer, turning your vision into a unique digital icon. The Voice AI, give your influencer a voice with Vocal Morph. This AI agent turns your scripts into lifelike speech with precision and realism. The Swap AI, take over the trends with Face Morph. This AI agent seamlessly swaps faces, making your influencer the highlight of any viral video. Their face, your strategy. All right, then we've got the Sync AI. Say it flawlessly with Sync Morph. This AI agent aligns lip movements perfectly to your audio or text, making every video feel natural and authentic. So, for example, you wanted to do faceless videos. You didn't want to put yourself out there like a lot of other people, let's say. And of course you can create very, very attractive AI agents that can be your content creators. Your voice could be behind them, or you could change the voice into a female voice or whatever you want. The possibilities are endless, guys, and they can be creating that content, and that brings more engagement to your channels. So that way, you can be doing a lot of that work, but you've got somebody else to do it for you. It's kind of like, imagine, okay, with the face swap technology. Let's say you wanted any attractive Hollywood actress, to be your content creator. You can create that. You can give it out all the information. You can sync it. You can do all that stuff, and boom, Angelina Jolie is, doing your, creating content on crypto, or Donald Trump is creating content on crypto, or whatever. The possibilities are just endless, guys. So that's something that you have to remember. This is the power of artificial intelligence. This is the power of AI agents. And now we have a sub-narrative of AI influencers. So that changes the game altogether. Wow. Like, just imagine the things that you could do. Really, it's pretty insane. Got more than the Manager AI. They got more than one influencer. Manage Morph is your go-to AI agent for organizing, tracking, and optimizing them all with ease. your team, your control. So there is a lot of cool stuff here. The influencer industry is booming, 45 billion, millions in revenue and instant opportunities. So this was the first AI influencer, if you remember, Aitana Lopez. The first AI influencer took years to build, 330K plus followers. Imagine skipping that grind. With Morph AI, you bypass the hurdles, create, manage, and monetize your AI influencer instantly.
If you're in the UK or know anyone
Look
in the
at this.
UK willing to work remotely, here is how.
Made with Morph AI.
If you're in the UK or know anyone in the UK willing to work remotely, here is how. If you're in the UK or know anyone in the UK willing to work remotely.
So that's pretty awesome, guys. Powered by 11 Labs, Microsoft, Replicate, Proof, Google. There's some big names here, guys. There are some big names here. And why us? So if you look, their competitors are Sora from OpenAI and then Remaker. So Remaker doesn't allow you face swaps. It doesn't allow realistic avatar. It doesn't allow text to message. It doesn't allow lip sync. It doesn't allow market cap. It doesn't, okay, so this shows you market cap, lip sync, realistic avatar, text to image, text to voice. Voice change, no. Face swap, no. Here you have advanced replicate models, proprietary NME models, face swap, voice change, text to voice, text to image, realistic avatar, lip sync, Morph Telegram bot, Morph DApp, market cap to be announced. So Morph AI has got a ton more features than even like the biggest companies which are raking in billions and billions of dollars, like OpenAI, for example, right? And 50% of the revenue will be shared with the holders. Providing API to other projects, you can even do that. So they have a very extensive roadmap, guys. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description, and you can, do your own research on this. AI celebrity cameos. These are the use cases. AI influencers as a service. Build your brand with AI influencers. There you go. From AI influencers to earning, Morph AI makes it happen. Create your AI influencer and mint money, all from the comfort of Telegram. Simple, fast, and always at your fingertips. Start the bot now. And if you want to look at the market cap, right now it's only at a 21.7 million market cap. This is a project that is tackling a $45 billion market cap while sitting at a 21.7 million market cap. Just imagine, even if it takes 3 to 4% or 1% even of that share, that would be really, really impressive. So there's a ton of growth potential here on this, and this is available on Uniswap, and the network is Ethereum, so expect some high gas fees, but this is definitely very, very cool. And another one that I wanted to show you guys is Sakura. This is an absolute degen play, guys. So tread carefully, but this could rake in a 500x, 300x, you name it, if it succeeds. Now, Sakura has been on Twitter since November. Sakura is also a content creator, an AI agent, and an influencer. So I'm going to give her a follow here right now. And this thing, it posts, it creates its own posts, it has its own thoughts and everything. It's really, really insane, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. Sakura also has a pretty decent following. If I click on website, it takes me to TikTok. And I'm going to show this to you guys. So as you can see, 92K followers, 2.6 million likes. This is not even a real person, guys. It's an AI influencer. Literally an AI influencer that has been able to create, post, have its own consciousness and thoughts. It has also created its own song and its own video. Like, do you guys realize how crazy this is? It's insane. So right now, see, now it's growing. It's at a 901K market cap. We just saw it at an 800 something K market cap. I discovered it at a 700 something K market cap. But this one can have a ton of potential. I mean, this one could be, it can grow massively and give you a lot of X's. And I mean a lot of X's. Okay? So the potential here is huge. And obviously you can buy this on Radium and Solana. I'm going to leave a link to the contract, and you can look into it yourself. This is an absolute degen play, guys. Anything can happen. This is not even at 1 million market cap yet, but it's getting there. But the potential here is massive if it does well. I mean, it's been around on Twitter since November. It's already had a pretty big following on TikTok. So yeah, you can see where things are going with this, right? So this is a very interesting project in my view. And another one that I want to talk about, which I think is going to be a need for AI agents, is KIP protocol. Now, AI is built on our collective knowledge and intellectual labor. KIP unlocks our digital property rights in AI, granting us our fair share of the economic benefits of the AI-powered future. So KIP is basically it's a decentralized base layer that AI models, apps, and data owners build on to safely transact and monetize in Web3. Quick disclaimer, guys, I do own a KIP node. I haven't launched it yet, and I got a little bit of a small airdrop. Not that big, but I'm planning to obviously run my node soon. But this is a very, very revolutionary project, and I think this is going to do very, very well in this bull run as well. As you can see, the current market cap of the KIP token is at 31 million. The circulating supply is 1,240 million. So yeah, this one can grow massively. I mean, we're talking about a lot of X's here. Do look into this, because these guys have been building, and they're still building. And KIP is truly a revolutionary project in my view. So it allows you to monetize your AI models, apps, and data, connect your components easily with others, retain true ownership of your work, enjoy robust security and privacy. So you see the potential here is absolutely insane, like incredibly insane, right? And that's something that you have to remember, guys. These guys are going to be, a huge player in the AI space. And we're very, very early on this. Very, very early. If we have a look here, so I don't know why the text is showing like this, but AI agents are coming to KIP as well. So KIP is going to be launching its own AI agents as well and integrating with other AI agents. So it is known for our large-scale DEAI deployment among governments, universities, and large Web3 companies. Indeed, we are the clear leaders in this category. So what does KIP have to do with AI agents? AI agents has always formed part of our core offerings. Truth is, we have been developing, deploying, and empowering agents since 2023. From the earliest iterations of our Knowledge 5 framework to our current, more robust KIPSA framework, we have always built in-house advanced agents. Indeed, many of our larger client wins have been won through demos of our agents running on our infrastructure. And what we haven't launched so far, however, are tokenized agents, but we will. So tokenized agents are coming to KIP. Additionally, back from June, we have partnered with and subsequently invested in Momade AI, a leading Web2 AI agent platform with 5 million users using 500,000 AI agents. This OG company was launching AI agents and making revenue for it a full year before the current AI agent meta. Very, very impressive. And KIP technology is necessary for AI agents. KIP solves fundamental problems of deployment, connectivity, and monetization faced by all DEAI developers. No matter whether you are building an AI agent, an agent marketplace, a RAG framework, or a simple chatbot, you will encounter the problem solved by KIP. You will need KIP. So for example, Momade will be using KIP's infra to deploy their upcoming Web3 agentic platform, mates.lol, and web3.mates.lol into Web3. So the above diagram gives or an overview of how KIP fits in the overall AI agent landscape. Agents, microservice for agents, cores by virtual, skills by Momates. Agent marketplace, launchpads, virtuals, Momates.lol. Inference layer, BitTensor. Software infrastructure, KIP. Hardware infrastructure and compute layer, NVIDIA, AWS, Google Cloud, Aether, and IO.net. So, as you can see, KIP is a fundamental part of this entire process, guys, and this will be needed for AI agents and all kinds of AI agents. So, this project is so undervalued right now, it's going to be massive. Massive. Like, I'm literally giving it to you, giving it away for free, guys. You know, this is the type of information that I'll be giving to my patrons. Of course, they're getting it earlier. So if you join my Patreon, you'd be getting this video earlier. Of course, it's going to be coming out, a day after or 2 days after I give it to my patrons. But if you want early access to things, don't forget to join Crypto Ronins. That is where we have the top alpha in everything related to crypto. Everything related to crypto. Top alpha, guys. Quality over quantity. So moving forward, the AI agent space represents the bleeding edge of consumer AI. In a totally organic and unexpected manner, AI agents and Web3 have rapidly become most exciting and cutting edge of consumer AI applications. It draws attention, capital, and thus talent. In the past few weeks alone, we have seen a Cambrian explosion of innovation. I highly recommend following, DeFi Ox Jeff. Excellent and regular analysis and recaps of the fast-moving space. So, this is a post by the founder of KIP, who is Julian, and Julian has given his analysis. And basically, you guys can, I'll leave a link to this. You guys can read all of this, but there's a lot of cool stuff coming here, guys. They're also launching something called the Nova Frontier Accelerator, which is NFA.fund. Where you'll be, if you're holding some KIP or if you're running the node and you're earning KIP, you will get early access to, AI meme coins and all sorts of airdrops and whatnot by connecting your Ethereum or your Solana wallet wherever you have, decided to run your node. And obviously, if you're holding your KIP tokens in whichever wallet it is, whichever network it is, for that matter. So there's a lot of cool stuff being built here, guys, and it's only the beginning, and then we're only getting started with the, bull run. So this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. Okay? The next project that we'll be looking at is something that is in the DeSci field. And this one is called Bio, your gateway drug to decentralized science. So Bio has had some really, really amazing partnerships, like its partnership with the University of Copenhagen, where along with its partnership with Vita DAO and the University of Copenhagen, they did a proper funded one of the first funded researches through University of Copenhagen. And then we also have had a partnership with University of Newcastle, the prestigious University of Newcastle, where Bio did its first IP token launch with the University of Newcastle in the bioscience sector. And that is really, really, really phenomenal, guys, because this is huge. So IP stands for intellectual property. And Bio has had a partnership with Vita DAO. Vita DAO is basically a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, for projects that are doing basically so much work when it comes to research in the decentralized science field. And Vita DAO is already backed by Pfizer Ventures. Yes, the Pfizer company, as in Pfizer Ventures. And Bio is in direct partnership with Vita DAO. They're also in partnership with Hair DAO, which is working on research to recover alopecia, baldness, and hair damage. And they're driving biotech innovation through decentralized funding and coordination. Bio lets anyone fund, develop, and govern tokenized scientific IP, intellectual property from universities, companies, and researchers worldwide. A protocol for directing capital and talent to the most promising early stage science. Meta governance govern a wide range of biotech DAOs and intellectual property assets, enabling broad exposure to the DeSci space, drive funding to a specialized scientific mission or individual IP assets, and incentivize network activities, and then create liquid on-off ramps that are globally accessible and allow seamless exchange across the bio ecosystem. And then we've got the Explore the Bio network. The Bio protocol is being built atop a growing network of biotech DAOs, community-owned intellectual property creation engines focused on a specific scientific area. So Vita DAO, Athena DAO, Transformative Women's Health Research Funding, Education, and Access, Psi DAO, promoting progress in tokenized psychedelic science and art, Valley DAO, funding synthetic biology research to save the planet, Hair DAO, the network state solving hair loss. Then we've got Cryo DAO, funding high impact research in the field of cryopreservation. Then we've got Cerebrum DAO, advancing brain health and preventing neurodegeneration. Then we've got Curetopia, tackling the 1 trillion plus rare disease space by uniting families and patient communities. Then we've got Long COVID Labs, accelerating a cure for 100 million plus long COVID patients. Then we've got Quantum Biology DAO, building a quantum microscope to advance bioresearch. And building with the best, they've been backed by North Pond Ventures, Binance Labs, of course. Then we've got 1KX. Then we've got, another one as well. So these are top crypto and biotech players that are backing the project in the bio ecosystem. So far they have, the DAO has been initiated. The first science funding on-chain in partnership with the University of Copenhagen has been done, as we've mentioned. Then Pfizer Ventures backs Vita DAO in 4.1 million round. Bio is, of course, directly involved with Vita DAO, so this is huge for them. First intellectual property token launches out of Newcastle University, as we've already discussed. Aggregate market cap of BioDAO token crosses 200 million. Hair DAO becomes the first DAO to file a scientific patent. Binance Labs makes its first DeSci investment in Bio protocol, which is huge in itself. Biogenesis raises over $33 million. And so this is where we are now. New BioDAO's launch, Bio protocol launchpad goes live. This is all in 2025. Bio research agents. Bio brings hundreds of new patient communities on chain as BioDAOs. All right. So this, they have a fully doxed team, guys. I'm going to leave a link to the website. You can see it for yourself, who the advisors are. Everybody, read about it. But currently, this is sitting at a 75 cents. It has a market cap of $1,196,000,000. But they're tackling an industry which is worth trillions and trillions of dollars, guys. So, being one of the first in the space, being backed by Binance Ventures, having good VCs behind them, having Vita DAO behind them, having all those, the back on Pfizer Ventures as well, indirectly or directly, because they've been, the DAO has been in collaboration creation with Bio Protocol. So they have that partnership with Pfizer as well. Huge potential here, guys. I mean, the next 6 years for crypto are going to be massive. I don't know if you understand that or you can see it or not, but it's going to be humongous for crypto. Very huge, very big, very promising. And we're going to see a lot of ups and downs. I think the bull run is going to last until like somewhere around September, October. We're going to see a dip probably in May. But overall, I see a lot of bullishness, a lot of things being done here. And it's going to be massive. So this is going to create, I think, a run now for the next narrative, which is DeSci, as in decentralized science. I think Bio Protocol coming out with a bang is a very, very good sign, and we're going to see a lot of now, new projects coming out in the DeSci space, and we're going to see another bull run within the DeSci space as well. So, I mean, it's a new narrative. So there's a lot of excitement, a lot of speculation, and a ton of potential to make a ton of money. So I'll try to find out whatever I can, but this is something that came to my attention. And of course, they have a really good backing and a very, very solid team. So guys, I hope this video was super useful for you guys. I hope you found a ton of alpha here. And if you did, please like the channel, leave a comment, share this with as many people as you can, follow us on Twitter, and if you want early access to things and the things that we don't post on our YouTube or anywhere on any social media platform like TikTok or Instagram or wherever, please join our Patreon. It's at a very, very good price. We're about to increase our prices as well. So, you might want to get in as soon as you can. And that is where we post some of the best alpha, in my opinion. My team and I, we do a lot of research. We find the best alpha for you. It's always quality over quantity. So this is me, the DeFi enthusiast, signing out from the Crypto Ronins, from the Crypto Ronins. And I hope that you have a wonderful day night wherever you are. Take care of yourselves, guys. Stay awesome, and let's crush it this year. Let's crush 2025 and make a ton of money. Take care. Bye.